Gangster Jathedi requests 6 parole to become father. Court gives IVF permission but, in a striking judicial development, a Delhi court has permitted jailed gangster Sandeep alias Jathedi to undergo a key medical procedure related to in vitro fertilization IVF while in Tihar jail, but denied his request for a 6 parole to facilitate it. Jathedi, a notorious gangster lodged in Tihar in multiple extortion cases, had filed an application before the court seeking interim parole. His counsel, Advocate Rohit Kumar Dalal, argued that the parole was essential due to the time-sensitive nature of IVF. Dalal submitted that Jathedi's wife, Anuradha Chaudhary, also known in criminal circles as Madam Minjay and facing serious charges herself, was undergoing assisted reproductive treatment at a private hospital in Gurugram. He claimed that a fresh semen sample was medically required for embryo fertilization, a process that is time-sensitive and non-deferrable. The court, while not convinced to allow parole, did acknowledge the biological urgency of the matter. In an order passed on June 9, Additional Sessions Judge Deepak Wazan ruled in favor of allowing the IVF process to proceed within the jail premises under medical supervision. The applicant and his wife want to preserve their lineage by giving birth to a child to secure their family tree, Judge Wazan stated, as quoted in the official court order. According to ANI, the judge further noted, the present application stands partly allowed and on June 14 between 6:07 am, the concerned treating doctors from hospital shall visit the jail premises and collect the semen samples of the accused in the jail. Privacy must be maintained and aseptic manner must be followed before and after collection. The court had earlier sought medical opinions from both AIIMS and RML Hospital. In their responses, both institutions confirmed that semen collection for IVF could be safely conducted within the confines of Tihar jail. The AIIMS report, in particular, stated that the sample must be transferred to the IVF lab in Gurugram, where the wife is undergoing treatment, within 60 minutes of collection. In line with this, doctors from the treating private hospital were permitted to enter Tihar jail to collect the sample. The court emphasized that the entire process must occur under the supervision of jail authorities, with due regard to the accused's privacy and medical protocol. Advocate Dalal reminded the court that Jathedi had previously been granted 6 parole in March 2024 to solemnize his marriage to Anuradha at a heavily guarded ceremony held at Dwarka Banquet Hall. He argued that his client had honored all conditions of that parole, posing no risk of misuse or breach of law. However, the judge did not find this precedent sufficient to extend parole again. Citing security and procedural concerns, the court denied interim custody parole, choosing instead to accommodate the IVF process within the jail itself. Swipe left for next video. Jathedi, a high-profile figure in the Delhi NCR crime world, is incarcerated in several extortion and gang-related cases. His wife Anuradha, who once had associations with slain gangster Tilu Tajpuria, has also been implicated in serious criminal activities. The couple tied the knot on March 12, 2024, a union that itself had required judicial approval and tight security arrangements. The marriage took place under a 6 parole window granted by the court, now referenced in their bid for reproductive assistance. Latest blogs.